Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. I just wanted to share a bit of a case study with you with a car that we've got in the workshop today. This particular vehicle is a 2019 Nissan Leaf, the ZE1. It's an imported vehicle from the Good Car Company, so it's an imported Nissan Leaf, and it has an ADAS problem. So the owner rang me. They come from a long distance away. They've driven quite a few thousand Ks to get to my workshop to come to me because they couldn't find anyone locally to be able to have a look at or prepared to look at the car for them. One, because it's an imported vehicle. Two, because it's an ADAS problem or something, or becomes a bit too hard. So we've had a look at it. I've looked together with Brad from AB Auto Trail, a local bike near to us who's also a TAP member, and between us we've been able to get to the bottom of the problem. And in this particular case it ends up being the front camera on the vehicle for the ADAS, and the front camera on this particular vehicle is in the windscreen at the top here. Now we've done quite a few already for Mitsubishi Outlanders that are failing. That camera fails over time, so we've lost communication with that camera and therefore it can't adapt and work, so it puts up another code for unable to activate the camera. So that's the particular fault with this particular vehicle, and so not such a big drama. But I suppose the key is to it, with ADAS coming out on all late model cars, ADAS is compulsory. You cannot sell a new car without it, so it's going to be a growing market. So it's a decision what you need to make in your own workshop. Is it something you're going to do in-house, or you're going to work in conjunction with somebody else? So with all my ADAS work in my own workshop, I work in conjunction with Brad at AB Auto Trail, who does my ADAS and calibrations for me. So it's a matter of working together with somebody within your industry locally, maybe in a town nearby or whatever, but work together to find out, well, who's going to actually take that challenge up and who can we work together with. So in the end, nothing to do with the fact that it's got a battery electric vehicle, really nothing to do with the fact that it's even an imported vehicle. It has an ADAS problem with a faulty camera. So we're going to have to source one of those cameras, which we will, and then get it in, calibrate it, and get it back on the road for the customer. So a good lesson of what's coming in the future. When you say future, every new car's got it now, and it's going to become a more common problem. It's a matter of how do you service your own customers with those sorts of faults. Don't forget, if you are a TAP member and you're looking for repair solutions like this one, just go to tap.net.au and look up the information. Or if you're not a member and you want access to these thousands and thousands of good, repair solutions and good scope scan files, go to tap.net.au and sign up on the click on button. See you next time.